I used a lot of new hardware on this. It's one of the professional traits that I have too. Uh, our whirly thing over there didn't work out, and neither did our electric starter. Ended up in the way of the chute right here. This. I can't wait till this get another camera. Um, I want to get one of those vlogging cameras. I'm not feeling exactly too swift today, but I wanted to show you this thing did go back together, and it works pretty good. I wouldn't be afraid to use it on an ex-wife or preferably Joe Biden. I'd love to shove his ass in this thing. I got a stick here. I'm going to fire it up. Might even give it a shot at ether. Uh, we have things that happen just like a pterodactyl. I love his. I've watched his shows for years now. I mentioned him a couple times. Junior filled the engine with oil. It's a little over full, so it's pushing it out the vent. See, I left a quart of oil, and never occurred to me to tell him how much oil to put in it, and he didn't have the common sense to check the stick. He just dumped the quart. Well, there was actually 2 quarts there. He put, I think, about a quart and a half. When I went to fire it up, I had oil out coming out the vent. But anyway, it's just over full on oil. But that's having siblings and teaching kids that sometimes a stupid question is not such a stupid question, especially when you're new to the world and new to machinery. I'm going to fire this up. I wanted to make this a short video. Keep that there like that. Maybe we better choke it. That's the thing is, these machines, they'll move around on you when you try to start them. It almost wanted to go, and I think I had the choke closed a little too far. These are tough. You need a backbone to get them started. You get a little smoke when this happens. So anyway, she runs and runs good. And that's the video. Don't be afraid to take the bull by the horns.